Hello friends, are you taking blood pressure medication? And if you are suffering from dry cough, itchiness in the throat, then please check if it is one of these medication for the blood pressure that you are taking. Either it is a ACE inhibitor like captopril, enalapril, lisinopril, perindopril or ramipril. Or is it a group from medicine from the group known as ARBs, which could be candesartan, irbesartan, losartan, olmesartan, telmisartan, or valsartan, and ask your doctor to change it or treat it because one of these medication could be responsible for your dry cough. Thank you.